In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm in store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a one-time virtual card, add it to your mobile wallet, and tap to pay at checkout with flexible payments. Start by opening the Affirm app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that your app is up to date so everything runs smoothly. If you're planning a purchase today, it's also a good idea to have a general idea of your total, including tax, so the amount you enter will be accurate. Once you're in the app, head to the In-Store tab. This is where Affirm lets you create a one-time virtual card just for your purchase. Think of it like a temporary card that's tied to a specific amount so you can pay over time even when you're shopping at a physical store. Next, select a payment plan and confirm your total purchase amount. Affirm will show you the options available to you, along with the payment schedule and any costs. Take a moment to review the terms so you're choosing a plan that fits your budget. When you're comfortable with the details, confirm the total. Be as accurate as possible here. This card is created for that amount and it may expire after a short time if you don't use it. So plan to pay soon after generating it. After you confirm, Affirm will generate a one-time virtual card for your purchase. You'll see the card details on your screen, but you don't need to memorize them. In most cases, the easiest way to use this card is by adding it to your phone's mobile wallet for contactless payment. If needed, add the virtual card to your Apple Wallet or Google Pay. Just tap the prompt in the app and follow the on-screen instructions. Your phone may ask for a quick verification. This step lets you tap to pay at the terminal just like you would with any other card saved in your wallet. When you're ready to check out, unlock your phone and hold it near the contactless reader. Make sure NFC or contactless is enabled on your device. Wait for the confirmation animation or beep from the terminal and you're done. The transaction processes like a regular card purchase and your Affirm plan starts based on the schedule you selected. That's it. You've used Affirm in store to pay over time. You can track your payments, view upcoming due dates, and manage everything right in the app. If your total changes, simply return to the app and follow the prompts to adjust as needed. Happy shopping and use it responsibly.